Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to take the top down on this 2015 Jeep Wrangler. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to start at the back, open the rear gate. We want to take this rear window out. So we're going to come over here and I'm just going to disconnect this underneath here. Just slide that up. We'll do the same on the other side. Just fold it up, just like that. We need to loosen up the zipper on this side. Unzipper to that part, and we're gonna just grab this bar. We're gonna rotate it out. I'll slide this inside and then undo the zipper all the way. Slide it out. Now you can take this bar out. This slides out. Then you can roll this window up for storage or place it in a safe place. You don't want to scratch it. Next, we're going to take these little brackets out. To get these out, just grab on the back side and rotate. It will unclip, just like that. Do the same for this side. Just rotate it. Take that off. Next, we're going to do the side windows. Just take this Velcro off. We're going to open the rear door as well. Unzipper this. Like that. Pull that out. Then we're going to slide it out over here. Fold it down. Should slide right out. Again, be careful not to scratch these. Put them in a safe location. Do the same with this side. Pull the Velcro off. Open the back door. Undo the zipper. Pull this out over here. Pull that one out. Set it aside. Underneath here, we're gonna grab. You can pull down on this a little bit. We're gonna pull it out from underneath there. We're gonna do that on both sides. Just like that. Do the same on this side. Pull it down, slide it out. It's a little bit tricky, just like that. At this point, we're going to go to the front. Pull down your visors, just move them over to the side. And there's two clips right here. Pull that one off, pull that one off. push up on the top. can fold over, just like that. And then there's a release over here. Push down on the release on this side. Then I'll just let it sit on the release so I can walk to the other side. Push that down. And we can take and fold it back, just like that. Then these two pieces get slid down here. Make sure you tuck these pieces in underneath. All right, those are tucked in. Push this fabric down. And it'll go down like that. Then we can close the gate. And now the top's down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.